Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Foundation 10. There is no need to memorize anything. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Can, cannot, help, open, close, start, stop, try. Okay, listen to the words again and repeat them after me. Can, cannot, cannot, help, open, close, start, stop, try, Good. Take your time. Now, we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. I can help. You can help. I cannot help. You cannot help. I can try. You can try. Try now. Start now. Start this. Stop this. Open this. Close this. I can open. You can close. I cannot open. You cannot close. Help me. I help you. Very good. Now, listen to the simple story using all of the words. I am here now. You are here with me. I want to start work. I try now. I cannot open this. I feel a little sad. I ask you, can you help? You say yes. You can help me. You open this. I feel good now. We start work together. Later, we stop and rest. Now we close this. Today is a good day. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. Can, cannot, help, open, close, start, stop, try. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for Foundation 11. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.